they do block the wind around the knees, and they absolutely smooth the airflow. It's less turbulent coming up around the helmet. Holy Nike. What in the world was that? Yeah, okay, that was an off-road vehicle. Welcome to Motos, Cades, and Coffee. Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Andy from Motos, Cades, and Coffee. It is motorcycle washing, car washing day today, and but I'm going to do something a little special. I got my cans painted on my Royal Enfield Himalayan, and we're going to go take a ride review and see what it's like with them on the bike, see if I notice any difference. I have a feeling that there's something a little special about them that I'll tell you guys about in a bit. So I think these cans might have a little less buffeting with them installed than without installed. What I mean by that is with this tall windshield, I'd get a lot of turbulence that comes in right around here and it goes under the helmet. I think these cans are going to maybe block some of that vacuum and kind of block the air around it. And I think because the cans are no wider than the panniers, that it's not going to really cause a reduction in miles per gallon. I get about 45 to 55 miles per gallon dependent, and I think I'll still get the same with them empty. So I'm gonna go for a ride review, and come on with me and let's find out. All right, so we're about going for a ride. There's the cans. Let's go. All right, so the cans are down there. I'm gonna let you know, again, the wind seems to bubble from right here and it comes underneath the helmet sometimes. So I'm hoping all together with the tall windshield, the guards, the mirrors, and the cans, maybe reduces that wind. Hello, doggy. Big old dog. Whoop. All right, let's get up to highway speed and go. All right, so first initial thoughts are it is blocking some of the wind around. It's blocking the vacuum, so it's not bubbling underneath the helmet here, which is great. It's kind of hitting my arms, which is fine, but it's not bubbling under the helmet, which I hated. Holy Nike. What in the world was that? Yeah, okay, that was an off-road vehicle. I'll get some twisties here. I don't think the weight is at 2.9 pounds a piece or 2.8 a piece, so I don't think I'll notice much there. They do block the wind around the knees, and they absolutely smooth the airflow. It's less turbulent coming up around the helmet. So that's a side advantage to these. I don't think I'll get any mile per hour difference. Again, as you see, they're straight in line with the panniers, so real no difference there for drag. And maybe they cut the wind a little bit there as well too. So yeah, I'll give a more detailed review later on when I fill them up with gas and see if I notice any difference there. But thanks for watching.